10 foods that can trigger a migraine. How many can you guess? Number 1, caffeine. Caffeine can definitely trigger migraines, but with occasional use, it can actually provide migraine relief. Number 2, you can probably guess this one, but artificial sweeteners such as aspartame that's found in products like Diet Coke. Number 3, alcohol. Over 35% of people with migraines will identify alcohol as one of their triggers. And in 77% of people that identified alcohol as a trigger, they identified particularly red wine. Alcohol can contribute to dehydration, which can lead to a migraine. Number 4, chocolate. It's the second most common trigger after alcohol. 22% of people that have migraines identify chocolate as a trigger. Number 5, MSG, which is a food additive. It can be a trigger in 10 to 15% of people with migraines. Number 6, cured meat such as hot dogs, sausages, and deli meats. It's because they contain preservatives called nitrates, which can cause vasodilation in the brain and can lead to migraine. Number 7, aged cheeses. They can contain tyramine, which can trigger headache. The longer the cheese is aged, the more tyramine that's present, and the more likely it can be a trigger. The most common cheeses that have the highest amount of tyramine is blue cheese, feta, and Parmesan. Number 8 is pickled and fermented foods like pickles, pickled vegetables, or even kimchi. This is for the same reason, because they contain a higher amount of tyramine. Number 9, brain freezing frozen foods. Brain freeze is a real phenomenon because eating a food that's really cold, particularly if you're hot, like after exercise, can potentially cause a headache. Number 10 is salty foods, because eating salty foods can raise your blood pressure, which can cause a headache. Did you get them all? Did any of these surprise you? Let me know what you think.